Hello, welcome to the first late devlog of my game Quest. We're gonna be making the next levels. This ain't a tutorial. This is literally devlogs on what I'm making with live footage because I don't know how to edit well. I'm an indie game developer and I'm also editing all of this myself. I have no team behind me. This is literally only me. So we're gonna be making. I'm nope flip. I'm going to be making World 1-5 and through 1-7 on this devlog. And tomorrow's devlogs, I continue working not once. I continue working every day. I'm gonna make I'm gonna make the rest of the levels of this demo. Alright. I'm gonna get me a Node 2D real quick. Rename this to 1-5. Nope. Not 1-5. And we should have this. This is 1-4. If you said that, sharp eye. Alright. We're gonna remove the entire level. Well, when I say I mean mine. I made tutorials before and it just slips up. Sorry. Alright, so we got our little player in. Alright, this is where we have to build under. So let's real quickly make World 1-5. I'm gonna make World 1-5 real quickly. We first start with the base. The quest is set I'm gonna tell you more about Quest. Quest is set inside of a medieval fantasy world with enemies like evil slimes, yetis, orcs, elfkin, and more. All the races and stuff will be shown as the demos go on and as you actually play the game, hopefully getting you excited for the full release of Quest. Whenever that happens, I don't know when it's going to happen. I'm just making it. I'm just having fun doing what I love. This is my first time actually making a full release game as well. So yeah, woohoo! My first title under the HG Studios name. This is my first game ever. Is Quest, which I'm making in Godot. And if you can't tell, I'm making this in Godot 4. Technically Godot 4.5. So if you ever want to try to remake this game and you're using a later version of Godot, yeah, tough luck. Nah, it's not gonna happen. And also, don't try to remake the game exactly. It's not copyright infringement. It might be, I don't know. I don't know much about law. I am literally just an indie game studio with literally no experience. I have some experience. I've watched some tutorials, but that's kind of it, just tutorials. I have hardly any experience of what I'm doing. What I said, Quest is, a Godot game made in Godot. And it's stuff like that. It's a simple fantasy game. I've some of the stuff I've taken inspiration from some animes like Sword Art Online, but I'm not stealing from the anime. It's like with the floating things, things floating. I take that from Sword Art. Not take it. I'm not stealing the idea. I'm just, floating islands can't really be stolen, but I got the idea of floating islands from the anime Sword Art Online. Because I don't really say this, but I do watch anime sometimes. I'm not really a big watcher of anime. And after we get all these done, the next part of the next devlog is probably also gonna have editing, making the levels look pretty. Because we had to have pretty levels. There's gonna be no collectibles yet. That's gonna be probably into later game. Right now, I'm just trying to get the base game all made. So this focuses on base game and with the tile map. Nothing much. Like the tile map, enemies, all that. Once I put in the alpha demo, you'll be able to fight the Slime King boss, which is going to be built in this demo, and you'll be taught on how to actually defeat the Slime King. I'm not going to tell you how to defeat it in this demo because, first of all, I really don't have much of an idea of what I'm doing for this boss. So, like, I do have an idea, but I don't have an idea. I do I do and I don't. It's complicated, okay? Life's complicated. Am I right? It's just life's complicated. Like especially for an indie game dev. So like any of my indie game devs are watching this. Let me know how life's doing for you. Like, not really. Don't tell me what life's doing. Just like agree with me. Life's hard. Like anyone who's watching this can agree with me that life is, difficult. Well, I don't know why I'm talking like this. I'm just an game dev that I just found on YouTube one day. It's like that's just making its first devlog. I'm used to saying his as its and all that lovely good stuff and all that good lovely it's just the random noises. This is me just correcting my mistakes with random noises. Don't mind that. Just don't. Okay, you hear me? Don't mind it. Okay. This is going to have some simple platforming. I'm also going to have to make a connection to this. Woo! I'm hoping my first devlog's around an hour long of me, placing down things and coding and programming and all this lovely stuff. Like, there's not going to be much programming. It's literally just going to be me setting up things. So, like, this is playable, and then I'll also show you gameplay of this at the end to where I'll just be playing the game, and I'll be showing you through everything, audio and all, at the end of this devlog. So, like, as you can see what I'm building, and also you know what's going to be built. But, like, you also be like, wait, there's no floating islands in this. I'm going to be building the floating islands now. This is what, like, this is I'm thinking now, I'm going to keep it with the original design. It's like, this is the start of the floating islands for this level. And it's probably going to be the only floating islands. I don't really know. I don't really care for the moment. Like, I do care, but I don't care. It's complicated. Like I said, things are complicated. You hear me, little Timmy iPad kids that you're watching? This on freaking iPad kids? Life is complicated. It's never easy. You might think it's easy, but wait until you get to the real world. It's going to be hard. I know I'm just saying iPad kids right now when I'm just a game dev, but I'm not trying to, talk on them because, like, here's the thing. I would have been an iPad kid if it wasn't for me, being treated enough to where I didn't, devolve into one. I'm a not successful indie game dev. Hooray! But at least I'm doing what I'm loved. At least I'm doing what I love. Okay, so so far, this is a lovely start. Like add some more obstacles, maybe, and add the slimes, and boom, we've completed another level. It's gonna be, unless, I can add more. Why not? Let's add a cave. In this game, caves are just, areas inside of levels that you can go to. Not a single level is going to be a cave. Or some levels can be dungeons. Not a single one's a cave. Alright? No cave levels. There's like no mind cave levels. This is a mind cave. Don't go spamming Minecraft movie memes, okay? it's I'm not memeing over here. I'm being serious. Like, these are mind caves. They're not natural. These are mined by humans. Like, in the realm humans. Not like real life humans. He's like, you're literally just watching me place tiles together. This is not really interesting. But we are going to get into some coding, because why not? Alright, we're on the next part of this devlog. Okay, because like I have to split this into sections because I'm editing this on Canva, and I can only get 25 minutes at a time. It's like, yeah, we're working on this cave that's made by man. You know, man caves. Everyone loves a man cave. Alright? And we'll actually go to the end of the level, which is crossing over this cave. And behold, level! Let's add the obstacles and slimes. Like, I literally I didn't make the tile set. CC's here a tile set. I put this here because, like, yeah, you got player camera 2D, because like we gotta have our camera 2D. All right, now we add in here our slimes. I really want to say Slime Shady, but I don't want to get copyright struck by anyone. I'm saying Slime Shady as a joke because, like, you're slimes. It's like, I'm Slime Shady, yes, the real Shady. All the other Slime Shaders are just demonetized, so will the real Slime Shady please stand up? Don't copyright strike me, Eminem. I'm just making a parody. It's a cute little parody. Like, I don't know if it's cute or not. It's kind of ugly sounding. But it's like, it's a little parody. Using slimes. Because, like, literally the common enemy of this entire area is slime. It's like, yeah, we just move the slimes into the level. Alright, so we get all this. Now I'm going to do some more now we get to programming after I save this level. This is one of the shorter levels. Go to scenes. Save the scene. Behold, scene saved. Alright. Now we go into here. Now we copy this entire thing. Because it literally just stays the same throughout. It's literally just one icon. I just changed the name real quick to 1-5. Remove its script. Just to make another script. Put in the scripts folder. Alright. Now before I even work on the script, I'm actually going to move the other scripts into the script file. Into the script folder. Because this literally holds on to every single script. It's all scripts. And then, of course, scenes for the hit zone. I renamed it hit zone, so, you know, things don't work. And, like, this doesn't even work, so I don't even know why I have it, so I just remove it. Ooh. Where's my 1-5 icon? Alright. Nope. Delete all this code. Alright, so we only should have this. You ready? Now we go to nodes, on body entered, and we'll go get tree, change scene to file. This will change it to world-5.tcn. Save. Go into the game, save. Now go into world 1-4, go to the end of this mini dungeon. Now we go find the 1-5 icon, and see that little patch of green? Boom. Sword. And now we should be able to go to 1-5. I can't test it because it won't pop up because it's technically a separate application. And like this should play as do. But I forgot to add some sort of danger. Silly little me. Luckily, I'm in the right kill zone. Alright, found it. Press D. Nope. Press C. Alright, go to here. Edit. It's called a kill zone, okay? Like it's called a kill zone not for legal reasons. It's so the player can go restart the current state of where it is in World War One. Yeah. It has a way to get unalived. But here, it turns out the audio the audio came out. The video of the gameplay didn't come out, so you can't see it. It's yeah, you're gonna wait for it for later. So I ain't gonna be showing any gameplay in these devlogs because it won't show. So yeah, if you have any challenges for me, feel free to comment them in either Godot or Scratch. But I have quit Scratch in a while, so I'm gonna be uploading the project. So it's gonna look weird, okay? Because I said I quit Scratch. I'm quitting Scratch, okay? It's I will still use Scratch for my challenges, but I quit as using it on my own. If you know what I mean, catch my drift. So yeah, that ends with this. Remember to like, subscribe, check out Quest pre-alpha build inside of the link or in the channel to where it takes you straight to its itch.io page to where you can download the game there. Well, anyways, see ya.